Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your Concepts app subscription. So basically if you have taken any subscription on this platform like Concepts, so how you can cancel your subscription. So my dear friends, I would like to tell you, you can cancel your subscription only where you have originally purchased. Okay, if you have purchased your subscription on App Store, you can cancel your subscription only on App Store. If you have taken your subscription by using Android device, you can cancel your subscription on Play Store. So I'm going to provide you two methods by which you can cancel your subscription. The first method by Android users, okay, for Android users. So first of all, you need to open your Play Store and you need to hit on your profile icon. You need to tap on payments and subscription, and then you need to select subscription. Now you will see a list of active apps, your active subscription list. You need to select your Concept app, then you need to follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. Now if you have taken your subscription by using your iPhone device, in that case what you have to do, you need to open your Apple settings, iPhone settings, and then you need to hit on your Apple ID, and once you select your Apple ID you need to hit on subscription, and then you will see a list of active apps, your active subscription list. You need to select Concept app and then you can follow the prompts and you can cancel your subscription. So by using these ways you can cancel your Concept app subscription. Now if you have any other questions, you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video my dear friends. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.